Today is a big day for us. We are very honored with the gifts that we are receiving from the eThekwini municipality. The token of appreciation and the token of the gestures that is coming from eThekwini municipality was born by the drama that we participated in on energy saving competition. It was a very huge competition, but since we are very passionate about saving our planet Earth and also about making a difference in the climate change. Now, thank you so much for the stuff that municipality has given us. We're gonna teach our learners the skills of baking and cooking. Also the fridge will store our vegetables so that it don't get spoiled, so that we feed fresh vegetables to the kids and also give them the skills that they become entrepreneurs in the future. They will also open their businesses. So thank you so much, eThekwini municipality. We say salute to you. We love you. Thank you so much.